Want to learn how to cook or try a new recipe for your flavored fried chicken? If yes, I got you. Because for today's video, we're going to cook lemon buttered chicken. If you are fond of sweet and sour pork, then for sure you will love this chicken version. So, let's get started. Before we start, here are our ingredients. We have garlic, and we have onion leaves, sugar, lemon juice, sliced lemons, butter, cornstarch and flour, salt and pepper, and cold water. And lastly, our chicken. So first, we're going to marinate our chicken with salt, minced garlic, 4 cloves of minced garlic, a cup of flour, and half cup of cornstarch. We're going to mix it first. And by the way guys, if you are frying chicken and pork, and if you want them to have a little breading and a very crispy exterior, you really need to mix your cornstarch and flour. Another thing is that cornstarch is the one that makes your chicken or pork very crispy. And now we're ready to fry our chicken. We're going to put now our chicken. By the way guys, what I'm using here is chicken wings with their base. And before I forgot, this recipe is from Chef Tatong of the YouTube channel Simpol. If you want to learn and try a new recipe, you can check his channel and watch his videos. So we fry our chicken until it's golden brown. So while waiting our chicken to be cooked, let's make our lemon slurry. While waiting for our chicken to be cooked, let's make our lemon slurry. It's like sweet and sour profile, but what we're going to use is lemon and sugar. So we have here 2 cups of cornstarch, and let's dissolve it with half a cup of water. By the way guys, I started cooking when I was in grade 4. I used to join Cook Fest where I really learned how to cook, and then during the pandemic, it really helps me to become more productive, especially in cooking and baking. Well, I'm not yet that pro in baking, but in cooking, I guess it's just right. So our chicken is taking its time to cook. And by the way guys, I have come up to this content because I really love cooking, and I want to show you how I cook, and especially for you to learn also and inspire you. We never know it might help you to learn and make food for your special someone or for your family, right? Look at that. It's becoming crispy. Yeah, our first batch of chicken is already cooked. Now we're going to fry our second batch. Look at how crispy is that. It's gorgeous. Let's now put our, oh my gosh. Let's now put our second batch of fried chicken wings. Just for TMI guys, I really love lemon. I make lemon juice, lemonade, and different recipes made of lemon. Using lemon rather. Like this recipe that we're cooking today, lemon butter chicken. I also want to try to bake lemon cake. Of course, using lemon as its frosting. Let's just wait for our second batch of chicken, and then we're going to cook our sauce. And you know that lemon is very healthy, but it is not advisable to, for example, in lemon water or lemon juice, it is not advisable to drink every day since it might decay our tooth, or in Tagalog, pwedeng rumupok yung ngipin if we are going to drink or take lemon every day. But it's healthy. It has vitamin C since it's sour, and detoxifies our toxins in our body. The second batch of our chicken has a bit thick butter. It's crispy. Let's try one. Really crispy guys. It's like I'm doing chubby bunny here, huh? But yeah, it's crispy. You see this? I can really taste the garlic and the saltness because of the salt, of course. Now that it is fried, it's very delicious. What more if we add our lemon and sugar slurry, right? Eat my breakfast earlier, and it's now 2 p.m. Yet I haven't eaten my lunch yet, so I'm very hungry. Let's check for our chicken. By the way, the setup of this vlog is in my room. Why? Because our kitchen is a bit of mess, and we have some renovations here in our house. That's why I can really go for that setting. I can feel my vlog there since it is a bit disturbing. It's thick. I like the aroma of the garlic here in our fried chicken. It really adds the flavor. So, if you fry chicken next time, make sure to add garlic. And pepper, of course. Let's just wait for a bit. On our next video of our next vlog, I might cook lemon roast chicken. Again, lemon because I love lemon. So, make sure to watch my video. But, by the way, how can I roast the chicken if I do not have oven? Well, I can use turbo maybe, right? Takes too much time. But yeah, patience is a virtue. Patience is involved in cooking. you do not have patience, then it's bad for you. For 5 minutes, it will be cooked. Or 3 minutes, I guess. Oh. So the second batch of our chicken has finally cooked. So we can now move forward to our sauce. So the chicken is ready. We're going to cook now the sauce. So let's start cooking the sauce. What we're going to do is to melt the butter. Add a bit more butter so it will be very what do you call this? The scent and the aroma of the butter will be very buttery and lemony. So now we can now add the lemon slurry. I guess I should add more sugar. So now our glaze, our lemon and sugar glaze or slurry is now ready. Guys, there's two ways to add our glaze in the chicken. The first one is to drizzle the chicken. Drizzle the glaze into the chicken. The second one is to toss the chicken in the glaze. Here's our glaze. Look at that. It's beautiful. I can smell the lemon all over the room. So, like what I've said, we can drizzle the lemon sugar slurry. And just like what I've said, the second way of adding the second way of plating, of our plating, is to toss the chicken in the pan. So it will coat so that it will coat the chicken evenly. Just like that, and then that. Just be careful to spill the sauce, but it's easy to do. Yeah. Add this here. And the lemon. Try this at home and let your loved ones sample the food you prepare. Or you can let your crush try it. You never know. He or she might like you for this. Because just like in the saying, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And I hope you enjoyed my video for today, and I hope that I inspire you and help you to learn and to show my skill in cooking. I'm Charlene Kaye Malonzo, signing off.